Whether you use an iPhone or Android, you've probably heard of Google Drive for transferring, managing, and backing up your data. But are you using it to its full potential? In this video, we'll show you how to maximize Google Drive on your Android phone or computer. Part 1. What is Google Drive? Google Drive is a cloud storage and synchronization service developed by Google that allows users to store, sync, and share files across devices. It is available on the web, Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, and offers 15 gigabytes of free storage for easy access anytime. Part 2. How to use Google Drive on Android and PC. 8 tips. 1. Enter Google Drive. Android, install the app and log in. Computer, go to drive.google.com and sign in. 2. Upload files. Android, tap plus upload select files. On computer, drag and drop files or folders into Google Drive, or click New, File Upload, or Folder Upload. Select files or folders and click Open or Upload. 3. Share files. On Android, tap the File More, Share link, or Send File, choose a method. On computer, right-click the file, Share. 4. View shared files. On Android, tap Menu, Shared with Me, select File. On computer, click Shared with Me on the left, choose and open the file. 5. Download files. On Android, tap the File More, Download. On computer, click My Drive, right-click the file, Download. 6. Check storage space. On Android, tap Menu, Settings, check Storage. On computer, view storage at the bottom left of the interface. 7. Delete files. On Android, tap More on the file, Remove. On computer, right-click the file, Remove. 8. Enable offline mode. On Android, tap More on the file, Available offline. On computer, go to Settings, check Offline to sync files.